It wasn't too long ago when ASUS launched the first Zenfone Live. It was a product praised with affordable price point and features that match the needs of the people who love live streaming. Today we got ourselves a Zenfone Live L1, the latest iteration of the Live series that features a Snapdragon 425 processor, a much bigger screen, and a stacked 3000 mAh battery. For a device that's sold for about 6,000 pesos, this is probably one of the most affordable offerings of ASUS. The device was announced way back July and debuted during the SM Cyberzone Mobile Fest at SM North EDSA. Inside, you will find a smaller box which houses the SIM ejector tool and manuals. Underneath that smaller box is the Zenfone Live L1. Inside, you get a warranty form, micro USB cable, charger, and an earphone. That's pretty much everything inside the box, so now let's go ahead and check the phone out. The Zenfone Live L1 has a few tricks up its sleeve that make it a worthy upgrade from its predecessor. It rocks a Snapdragon 425 along with a larger 5.5-inch 18:9 display with a slightly higher resolution. It still has 2GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage, which you may expand using a micro SD card. One of the best-selling propositions of the Zenfone Live L1 is its 13-megapixel rear camera, equipped with PDAF for faster focusing, along with a 5-megapixel front shooter. Location of buttons are similar with the Zenfone series. Sleeper Wake plus volume keys are located on the right side, while a triple-slot SIM or SD card container is found on its left side. Speakers are at the bottom of the device, and beside it is a micro USB port for charging and data transfer. At the top, you will find the 3.5mm headphone jack for entertainment purposes. Zenfone Live is powered by a Zen UI 5.0 on top of Android 8.0. While the device does not have a fingerprint sensor, it has a face unlock feature for easy access and security. Here is the full specifications of the Zenfone Live L1. And here's how it stacks compared to its other competitors. The smartphone retails for 5,995. It is available in ASUS and Zenfone retailers nationwide. What do you guys think about the new Zenfone Live L1? Use the comment section below to share your thoughts about this phone. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, now is the time to do that. If you haven't liked our Facebook page, why not clicking like and follow buttons today?